Okay guys, Danielle and Chris, and we are preparing, Chris and Danielle, we are preparing to clean up and get rid of this car.
Sell it.
This is Graham's. This is our son's car, and Air Force man doesn't need it anymore. He wants to move on. But the mirrors were really nasty. So we're going to take Colgate. Headlights. The headlights are really nasty. So we're going to take Colgate and a sock. You see, I did laundry. It's pink. And we're going to...
There's such a story.
We're going to clean up the headlights. You see that one right there? That's what it originally looked like.
Hopefully you can see that in there because it's really icky.
And this is what it looks like after doing this. Now, it's not as pretty as, say, these over here, but, you know, it is what it is. So let's get into
2004, I mean.
So y'all stay tuned and we'll show you how it's done. So when you're getting ready to do this, I like to dab my sock in the water I use to wash the car. So I use Ice Premium Car Wash to wash my car because it's faster than washing than waxing. It does it all in one step. For mild waxing, I'm probably still going to have to put a buffer on this. And then once I have the sock slightly damp, I'll take and ever so, just put a dab of toothpaste on there. I'm not using this again, or I'm not using this period. This is, all I use it for is cleaning stuff. And now let's, okay. So, once you have your toothpaste on your sock, just simply start rubbing it in. And you want to do it until it completely dries. Make sure you get all the mirror, even this black part up here. This is still, headlight. This black part is still headlight even though it's black. So you can make that look better too. And don't be afraid to apply some serious elbow grease. What the toothpaste does is it works kind of like a sandpaper, and it sands off the film and smooths up your headlight.
Maybe that's why all our enamel is off our teeth.
Yes, we're sanding down our teeth every time we use it.
Just a thought.
Food for thought. And you see this white? This is some of the plastic and the toothpaste coming off.
The plastic's coming off?
Well, just a thin layer.
Or like the dirt, the scum?
Well, it actually takes off some of the plastic that's been dry rotted by the sun.
Oh. That's good to know, because I didn't know that.
Yes. And thank Danielle for adding to this video because there's lots of things that I forget to say. And it's nice to have her here to add
even though I'm out of screen right now.
To add that feedback loop. Yes, she's out of screen. Whew. Oh man, I'm getting thirsty.
Is it sunset lemonade time, babe?
I think it is. I think it is.
Sounds good to me. It's Saturday.
It is Saturday. Now I just take my sponge with my soap on it and I wipe this down. And you'll see other things you missed while washing the car when you're close up to it like this too. Look at that.
Oh, that looks really good.
Let me
Then
put
it
some
looks
water
better
on.
than the other side now.
I have to redo the other side. Water on this one. Whoa.
Yep, it looks better than the other side now.
Okay, so I have it all cleaned up, and now I'm going to use this towel I got from Bears. It's more of an outdoor towel, but it works really good on my cars too, just as long as I keep the buttons off of it. Yeah, I think I put some more elbow grease in this one than I did the other side. So that's how you clean headlights. And it's cheap.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did. Drinks. So, just toothpaste, a sock, and a little elbow grease will clean these up nicely. And that's it. And you may have to reapply a few times. I may go back and redo these some more. This is only once. And so in this one back here.
Make them really, don't look like an old vehicle. It's a 2004, so I mean, kind of got some aging to it, but it's still a great car, so.
Hence the name Gramps.
Yeah.
So, hope y'all enjoy this. We're going to sit down with some sunset lemonades, and well, I'm gonna wash the other truck.
Actually, he's going to install a stereo for our son's friend.
I'm gonna do that too, and I'm gonna wash the other truck. And if you're looking for, if you're up north and you're tired of the cold and want to look at something better, check out our Explore Florida. Great locations, almost warm year-round. They were fun to make and share with you.
We did have a few cold days, though.
There was a few cold days. If you're looking for yummy eats, great recipes, check out dininginwithdanielle.com. Make some great food. And we've also been making recipe shorts so you can get a quick glimpse of what that recipe looks like. And we actually make it, so,
Yeah.
you know.
We make our recipes all the time.
They are.
That's how they became recipes, because I just was sick and tired of trying to figure out what's for dinner, so I started creating my own stuff.
So, like I said, check out the other stuff. Make you some sunset lemonades or your drink of choice. Ours is adult.
Tea.
And y'all take care.
Bye.